Hi students, welcome to HP Kapadia School. I am Nisha James. I am taking biology practical. Today we are going to do the 11th standard biology practical, that is to study the respiratory rate in different substrate. The substrate we have taken is the germinating seed. So I have taken the green gram, germinated green gram to measure the respiratory rate. So what we are doing is, we are finding out whether the seed is undergoing germination or not. You know, germination is one of the growing process. So during the time of growing process, respiration will naturally occur. During the time of respiration, the carbon dioxide is releasing. By measuring, so the amount of carbon dioxide, we are finding the respiratory substrate is good one, okay, or it is a bad one. So what that is our practical. So the practical number 11, study of respiration in flower buds or germinating seed. I already told you that we have taken green gram. Now we will do the practical. Okay, so what is the practical, that I will tell you, then I will do demonstration. First we have to take the sprouted green gram in a conical flask. Then within the conical flask, nearly 50 grams of germinated seed we have to keep. Then in a small tube we have to put the KOH. The tube will be hanged inside the conical flask. Now we will cover it. And later, on the top of this particular cover will be a cork. On the top of this cork, we are inserting one bending tube. One end of the bending tube will be connected to the conical flask and another bending end will be connected to a beaker containing colored water. And then we are measuring the initial level. We are keeping the apparatus for nearly 1 or 2 hours. After 1 or 2 hours, when you measure the value, you can find that sometimes, if as it is a germinating seed, the level of the water in the delivery tube or in the bending tube will increase. If the level is increasing, that means the seed is germinating, that is the seed is respiring. And if the level is not, there is no change in the level, that means the seeds are not respiring. So that is our practical. Now I am going to tell you how to perform the practical. So students, now I am going to tell you how to measure the respiratory rate of different substrate. So for this I have set an apparatus here. So this is a conical flask, okay, and here you can find a delivery tube. The delivery tube is connected with a beaker containing colored water. If the substrate that we are taking in this conical flask, if it is a respirable substrate, then the level of solution in the this delivery tube will increase. So in the initial I have set 3.9 as the value. Okay, now you can find that the level up. Now we have to wait for some time. Okay, now one more thing you have to do. In this conical flask, within the fusion tube we have added KOH. So here you can find the KOH in the fusion tube. So what this KOH will do? The KOH will absorb the released, when a substrate is respiring, it will release carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is absorbed by the KOH, and as a result a vacuum will create. Due to the vacuum, the solution in the delivery tube will increase. So when the vacuum is creating, when the carbon dioxide is being absorbed, कब carbon dioxide absorbed होता है? When it is being produced. Which is producing the substrate. If it is respiring, then only it will release carbon dioxide. So here you can find that the level has increased to nearly 4 point, okay, nearly 4 point, yes, it has reached 6, okay, 3.9 में हमने start किया था, now it has reached 6, okay, so the level has increased. So this proved that the substrate is respiring. So this is a sprouted one. That's why the level is increasing. If you are taking a dry green gram, you will not get the result. So why we are doing sprouted one? Because the sprouted one is growing. Sprouting is the growing form. So it will do respiration. Then more amount of carbon dioxide will produce. So the carbon dioxide will absorb by the KOH. A vacuum will create. That vacuum is neutralized. As a result of the vacuum, the level of the solution in the delivery tube will increase. So this is very important practical, okay. This also can be asked for examination. So students, after performing the practical, you have to write the value in an observation table. So I have drawn the observation table here. There are 3 columns in the observation table. First one, in the first column we have written the initial level in the delivery tube, okay. Now that initial level is 3.9 centimeter. Later in the second column, water level in the delivery tube after the experiment. I told you that we have kept the apparatus for nearly 1 or 2 hours. So after 1 or 2 hours, what is our result? That you have to write. That value will be nearly 4.6 centimeter. Now what is the increase? Okay, so in third column we are writing the increase in the height of the water, that is nearly, okay, 0.7 centimeter. So this is plus 0.7 centimeter, there is increase. So when there is increase, that means the seed is respiring. When there is no change or decrease, that means the seed is not respiring. Okay, so the conclusion is we got an increase of 0.7 centimeter. That means that the seed that we have taken is respiring. So we are getting the respiratory value. Okay, so this is the practical. This is very important practical that can be asked for practical examination. If you are getting such practical, you have to do the practical for the first, because you have to keep it for some period of time. Okay, so you have to perform the practical at first, then you have to do the final reading. Okay, so that is our practical. Thank you.